Welcome to Organism of the Month at the Bean Museum. Today we'll be talking about the date palm. No, not that kind of date. It's a tree, sort of. Technically, date palms and the 2,600 other species of palm aren't in the same group as trees. They don't have growth rings and they can't grow sideways like trees. That being said, they can grow to over 75 feet tall, so who am I to say that isn't a tree? Date palms make up the genus Phoenix, containing 11 species and thousands of cultivars. The species we're focusing on is Phoenix dactylifera. Phoenix, which means red in Greek, refers to the tree's reddish fruit. Fun fact, the mythical firebird, Phoenix, was named after the date palm. It just means red bird. The dactyl part comes from the Greek word dactylos, meaning finger or toe, because the fruit resembles a finger, I guess. Let's look at the anatomy of a date palm. The top or crown is made up of large compound leaves called fronds. Bunches of ripening fruit hang from stalks between fronds. Then you have the trunk or stipe, which sometimes has offshoots like miniature crowns. The palm tree roots are divided into 4 sections by how deep they go into the soil. Where do date palms live? They're originally from North Africa, the Middle East, and Southern Asia, but today are grown worldwide. They prefer a hot climate, alkaline soil, and a relaxing evening watching Netflix. From the date a seed is planted, it takes 5 years until farmers can even tell whether it's a male or a female tree. Having separate sexes like this means palm trees are dioecious, as opposed to being monoecious like fig trees, where both sexes are present on one tree. So why go to the trouble if they take so long to mature and only some of the trees will bear fruit? Date palm farming dates back over 5,000 years, so there must be a good reason. Turns out, dates are one of the best fruit options to date. For one, they have the highest protein content of any fruit, making them unusually nutritious. Another reason is that during ripening, dates lose enough water that they become like raisins, and they don't ferment. This makes it a lot easier to transport and sell dates without them spoiling. As cool as dates are, I can think of a product that's even better. That's right, the Date Palm Bio Card. If you want one of these limited edition, plant-endorsing, fact-giving, Bean Museum exclusive cards, talk to an educator today, and you can have one for your very own. Talk about low-hanging fruit. And don't forget to print off our coloring page. Once you colored in your date palm, bring it in, and we'll hang it on our Organism of the Month wall here in the museum. Well, that's it for today's date. Hope I haven't been dating myself too badly with all these puns. We'll see you next month.